What's up, beauties, and welcome to today's video. Today we are doing another Look Fantastic unboxing. This is $20 Canadian. I know that I am doing a no-buy sort of situation right now. So for July, I did cancel all of my sub boxes except for this one. I forgot. This one is an automatic renewal, so I will be getting this one continuing, but it's $20, so it's part of my budget, so we're just going for it. I have no idea what is in this. I am so excited. I love these boxes. Honestly, I use these boxes for everything, and what I love is that each month you open it up and there's a little saying in it. So this month it says, "The mind is like water. When it's calm, everything becomes clear." So I really like that. And my second favorite part about this subscription is it always comes with an Elle magazine. Now we'll pull that out right now. That's it. So I'm going to set this aside. I really like to have these for when I'm at work or just hanging around by the pool, just something to look at. So they're really good. Every Look Fantastic box does come with a little book. This is actually so handy. It gives you prices, a little bit of a description of everything. So I'm going to keep that right here in front of me so I don't lose it. And, oh, interesting. So this is Ocado, the online supermarket. This is 30% off for me and 30% off for a friend. So if anybody's interested in this, let me know and I'll get you the coupon codes. I probably won't use it, but I've been meaning to try a food service subscription. I've never tried one before. Have you? Has anybody else? I don't know. So it always comes really nicely packaged. I love that part. So I'm just going to open it up. And I'm just going to open it up like this. All right, and the first thing, this is right on the top. This is, oh, this is a makeup remover glove. That is cool. All right, so this is the makeup removal your skin deserves. So this is called Glove. So we're just going to look at it like that, and then we're going to open it up. I use Norwex cloths, and I absolutely love their makeup remover cloths, but I've never tried anything but Norwex. So it looks like it's microfiber, and that is so cool. I'm going to use this. I'm going to make a video about this because I think that that would be pretty cool. I'm going to set it aside right now, put it back in the bag so I don't get it dirty, and that is a future video. I cannot wait. So next up, we have Gold Eye Brightening and Firming. These are eye patches, I do believe. It says they instantly hydrating and cooling eye pads made with real gold extract to brighten and hyaluronic acid to plump and firm the eye area. So I'm super excited. If you guys know me, you know I love eye masks. They're super cool and they always make me happy. So I will definitely be putting those to good use. Next, we have something from Aromatherapy Associates, London. This is the Revive Body Gel. This is refreshing and invigorating. I've never tried anything from this brand before. Oh, it's not sealed. Oh, a little bit on my nose. It smells fresh. It doesn't smell perfumey. I've noticed a lot of things that I do get in this box have more like fresh scents, which makes me really happy. So I'm really excited. Ooh, and then by LMS, I think that's how you say that, right there. This is the Hydrate Balance Day Cream. So day cream for combination skin, which is perfect because that's what I've got. So I'm going to put this into my pile of stuff to use, and you will see this. You'll see a review. Everything I get on my channel that I do use, I actually, when I'm finished with it, I put it into an empties. If I really don't like it, I put it into the bad bin. You will see this stuff. I just don't know when. So that's that. And next up, ooh, this is, see, that's what I like about this. Sometimes there are big products and sometimes there are smaller products. So this is by Naobe, Natural and Organic Detox Aqua Micellar Illuminator Water. So that's very interesting. So I am going, so this looks like it's a makeup remover. It does have a scent. It looks like it's foaming almost. I will definitely put this to some good use. I will give it a good try and see. It says that it has aloe vera, green tea, raspberry, lemon, and sage. So lots of my favorite scents. It actually smells really nice. I'm really excited to give this a try. So that is going right into this pile. And then last but not least, we do have, ooh, this is by Ico London. This is their fat eye stick. So it's just like that. And I am going to swatch it because I can tell you one thing. This is, oh, that is creamy. I can't wait to give this a try. I do know that and I like that it twists up instead of one that you have to sharpen. I know that if I don't love this, my sister will love this because my sister loves cream eyeshadow sticks. They're her favorite. Whenever I get them, I'm like, here, these are for you. Because it's the one item I know she'll always use, and especially if it's like a bronzy, coppery color like that, she's always game. So, let's recap, and I'm going to just pop in here into this little book, and we're going to see what everything costs. All right, and they're all in euros because this is from the UK. They do ship to Canada. Actually, they're based out of Canada, I think. I want to say I'm right on that. But all of the prices are in euros, so I will tell you what they are. So this hand cream is 19 euros. This body gel right here, that is 12 euros. The eye masks are $5.99. The micellar water is $11. And the chubby stick, how do you lose makeup that fast? How does anybody lose something that fast? Miss Kitty, did I lose it? Oh, similar. And the chubby stick retail, ooh, I lost the lid. It retails for $12 and the mitt costs $11.90. So this cost me $20 Canadian. I think that these products that I received are pretty worth it. This is my favorite subscription box. As you can see, it's pretty much skincare with a little bit of makeup. Honestly, for the money, it's worth it. I try so many cool things, and I have got some awesome products from this subscription box that I would never have tried on my own otherwise. So, wrapping it up, that was a really loud clap. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. If you are interested in Look Fantastic, I have linked it down below. Make sure go check it out. Maybe it's for you, maybe it's not, but I highly recommend it if you are interested in some skincare products for $20 Canadian. So make sure you guys are subscribed to this channel if you aren't already, and I'm just so happy you guys are hanging out with me. There might be some changes coming up to my schedule because now that I'm on holidays, but I'm hoping to be able to upload as much as I was before. Leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys have ever tried any of these items and if you have used the subscription box before. I will see you all in my next video, beauties. I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.